Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Alexis. Today is the day we all have been waiting for. This is the 4-piece sleepwear unboxing. This is the box. My name is Alexis. I'm 26. I'm now a full-time reseller. Necklace, Amazon, nails, $7.99. Kiss press-ons from Target, earrings, Dollar Tree. Follow me if you would like more broke and bougie tips. This is from Suwanee, Georgia. Even worse. Do I have high hopes about this box? No. Do I think there will be good things in this box? No. Why did I order this? I ordered this for you. So this is a raw opening. It just got here. It took a week to get here. This is 4 things. My 200-pound box gets here faster than that. Anyway, we're not judging. It's not a fault. Okay. This is the lightest box I've ever gotten. $40. And I also paid shipping, so I think it came to $46. Okay, bubble wrap. Okay. Really hoping these are some designer items because honestly, the cost of goods is more than what I would pay for like a Rent the Runway DIY box. Oh man. Okay. Oof. Okay. First, we have this small Flexies marked down to $35. Cool ThredUP. It's a bodysuit. Lace trim, spandex. It does have some markings on it, it looks like. Okay. Fat-free dressing. Next, we have a bra in Parfait 32D. That is really small. I don't know anything about this brand. Parfait color, European nude. Parfait.com. I mean, it's a cute bra, like just small rib cage. Only Hearts, NYC, Delena Stewart. This is like a really small tie front. I guess it's supposed to be a nightgown, but okay, maybe it's not that small. But honestly, this is not cute. Like on the camera, it might be coming across as like semi-cute, but I promise you, the material of this, like I feel like this is something that I would get in the Goodwill blue box for $1 and donate it back to Goodwill. Okay, the last thing. This might be something hopeful. No. Okay, well, I saw this cute robe, but on the back it says bridesmaid. So, and it has like holes in it, maybe where like they were curling hair or something. I don't know. Does it have a brand? No. It's not silk, it's not anything. I mean, it's cute, but And that's it. That's the entire box. Maybe I can get something off of the first 2 items and sell that bridesmaid thing. I don't know. I kind of want to make this video worthwhile, so I'm just gonna show you the cutest purse that I've ever sold. Be right back. Tell me this is not the cutest little Michael Kors purse you've ever seen. Look how small it is. Like, so cute. I mean, that's in trend. I feel like Lizzo or someone, when I carry these, has a crossbody. Anyway, mailing that out today, packing up some things. Well, while we're at it, making this video worthwhile to watch, let me just show you my poly mailers. You can't tell me these aren't the cutest poly mailers you've ever seen. Anyway, that's that. It was only 4 items in review. We have this bridesmaid thing, this bra, this, and this hideous nightgown. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Oh, my I have a business Instagram now. It's _MG Market, MGMARKET. So that's my business account. I also have a TikTok. I can put that linked below. Also watch my shorts. Those have been popping off, but we need the reseller community involved because I feel like the people that see them don't get reseller comedy anyway. If you like quality reseller comedy content, watch my stuff. Thanks. Like, subscribe. See you later.